よね。このいっぱい入るの知らなかった。たまに英語も喋るといいね。そう。たまに英語喋ると、ちょっと気分発散する。横浜です。おー、そんなとこないね、横浜。Are you YouTuber? あなた、YouTube 持ってますか？一緒にコラボレートしたいですね。Kasuhide Hirano. Hello. Buenos días. Buenos días desde Mexico. Oh, I don't know how. No, I'm not live in Mexico. I live here in Japan. No. YouTuber じゃないですか。そうですか。Please follow my another YouTube channel, Baby Pretty Pie. ちょっと、how to, Baby Pretty Pie and Tabirukung. Yeah, how to send a message, filter, top message. Okay, top message, all message. ちょっと、Tabirukung to. Baby Pretty Pie. よろしくお願いします。Heniyo desu ke. ちょっと、Tom. Hello, Tom. I don't know what are you talking to me. Because I am a Filipina. I speak Japanese, Philippine, and English also. Kamusta ka? Yes, kamusta ka? Kamusta ka is genki desu ka? So you imi desu. No, no paru-paro. Maybe yo paru-paro, Kansas-san. Paro it means a butterfly, yeah. Admasang, I could fly over to Japan and say hi, or we could do something else. Oh, Domo-san iyo, Admo-san, Tokyo ni asabi kite kudasai. Ima ne, Nihon no elimination, elimination is a very, beautiful, right? December. So if you have a time, please come in Japan to visit our illumination and sushi. Do you want some sushi eating? Yeah. Tom. Hi, okay, you are from the Philippines. Yes, I came from the Philippines. I'll be back. Okay, Kansas-san, thank you so much. And please leave me a message. And don't forget to subscribe my Tabirukung and Baby Pretty Pie. Please come my other YouTube channel. I was thinking I could visit you, sweet chick. Oh, well, yeah, come to Japan and please call me and then I see you just a little time to meet you. Yeah, my English has a long way to go. Hirano-san. Oh, Hirano-san, what are you Japanese? Are you Hirano? It means a Japanese name. Why you can speak Japanese? Shibuya. Yes, Shibuya. Last week I came to this Shibuya and Roppongi, and then I saw a beautiful illumination there. So please come and see a beautiful illumination in Roppongi, Shibuya, and Shinjuku also. Please come and see the beautiful of Japan. Yeah. Arigato gozaimasu. ちょっとうるさいかな、私。ちょっとうるさい。Thank you so much for your coming and comment our live show right now. I'm not expected to come and join me to live here now. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. I want to watch your star. What's in a star? In star? What do you mean of in star? What do you mean?